Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So, today we will study chapter number 7, and the name of the chapter is Senses of Animals. Okay, so today I will take you all to the animal world of amazing senses. So, look at this girl. She has dropped the sweet on the floor. Look what happened. So many ants have collected on it. But can you tell me how they came to know about this place where the sweet lies? Oh, that's very simple. With their senses. That's amazing. So, students, today we will study about senses of animals. Okay. Students, just like human beings, animals also have sense organs that protect them from their enemies and help them to locate food. In some animals, one of the sense organs is more developed and sharper as compared to the others. Okay? So, do you know which sense organ are more developed in different animals? Let me tell you. Students, many animals have very sharp senses unlike human beings. Some senses are more developed in one kind of animals than the others. Okay? So first of all, we will know about the senses of smell. So, most animals use their sharp senses of smell to find food and to sense danger. Dog. A dog is often sniffing around to locate food. The sharp sense of smell in dogs is used to rescue operations. Okay? And they also use their good sense of smell to find their way to back home. Okay? Snakes and lizards are seen flickering their tongue many times. This is because they have sense organs at the roof of their mouth that help them to feel their surroundings. Okay? And some scavengers like hyenas use their sharp sense of smell to locate dead animals. An ant uses its antennae to smell and find direction. And a honeybee locates scented flowers with the help of its sense of smell. Okay? And a mosquito moves towards humans as it has the ability to smell human odor, detect body heat and body humidity. Okay? And a shark moves towards its prey in water by using its sharp sense of smell. Okay, students? So, now we will know about sense of vision. Students, most birds have a very sharp vision. Birds of prey like eagle can see a rat on the ground from high up in the sky. Okay? And tiger and leopard can see very well even in the dark. A leopard can see its prey from about 100 meters. And some insects have a pair of compound eyes that are made up of thousands of lenses. And this helps them to get a complete image of things. Okay? So students, just like smell and eyes, we and animals use ears too. Okay? So let's understand sense of hearing in animals. Okay? So a bat has a very strong sense of hearing. It makes sounds that strikes the objects around and come back. This enables the bat to locate the direction and distance of its food. And this ability is known as echolocation. Okay, and some insects like cockroach and spider have hair on their legs that help them to detect sound. Grasshopper has hair all over its body that detects the direction of its prey. And an owl can hear sounds 10 times better than we all human beings. Okay? And a dog. Dog too can detect sounds and is often seen moving its ears on hearing a sound. Fish. Fish have internal ears. Sound vibrations are transmitted from the water through their body. And a crocodile also has an excellent sense of hearing that enables it to hear its young ones inside their eggshells. Okay, and a shark, it uses the earth's magnetic field to find its way about in water. Okay, now let's learn about sense of touch. Students, animals like cat and tiger use their whiskers to move in the dark without bumping into objects. Okay, and fish have unique sensory organs that lateral lines. These organs consist of canals that run along the sides of the head and body to sense changes in the water pressure. And leaf-nosed bat detects the warmth of an animal from about 16 centimeters away. And insects like butterfly feel their surroundings with the pair of antennae on its head. Okay? Now sense of taste. Students, the entire body of an earthworm is covered with taste buds. And a dolphin cannot smell its food, although it can taste it. Taste receptors are present on the feet of bee and butterfly. Okay? So students, do you know what type of animal is this? That's right. This is a parrot and it can speak some words. Okay? So here we will know how two animals communicate with one another. Students, different animals have different ways of communicating with one another. Just like female glowworm makes a series of flashes to communicate with males. And a dog barks, yelps, whines and growls to communicate its feelings. It wags its tail when it is happy and it hides its tail between its legs when it is scared of humans and someone. Okay? And just like insects release chemicals called pheromones through special glands that help them to communicate with other insects. Okay? And a bird makes simple calls to communicate. And Hannah makes a mad laughing sound that other hannahs follow while hunting. And honeybee performs special dance steps called waggle dance to tell other bees where the food is. Okay, now coming up to the next topic, do animals sleep? Yes, just like we all humans, animals also need sleep to take rest. So some animals sleep for long hours, just like brown bat sleeps for about 20 hours in a day. Usually small animals sleep for longer hours than big animals because they spend more energy than large animals. Okay, and grazing animals like cow, deer sleep for only 2 to 4 hours a day. In fact, giraffe has the shortest requirement for sleep. It can take rest and sleep for 10 minutes to slightly more than an hour. And dolphin that sleeps for about 10 hours. An adult tiger sleeps for about 16 hours a day. And koala sleeps for 18 hours in a day and spends the rest of the day feeding on eucalyptus leaves. And dog and cat close their eyes to sleep, while horse sleeps standing. And some migratory birds sleep while flying, and cow sleeps with its eyes open. Okay, and fish reduce their swimming speed to get rest, and bat sleeps hanging upside down from the branches of trees. Okay, so here we have completed our chapter number 7, and I hope you all have understood this chapter very well. So now what you all have to do? Students, you all have to read the chapter twice and learn bookwork and hard words. Okay? So bye bye. See you soon.